and welcome to the CX Live Dialogues. I'm delighted to have with us today Sameer Narkar, the founder and CEO of Konnect Insights, a leading omnichannel customer experience management platform. A visionary entrepreneur and a tech innovator, Sameer is passionate about empowering brands with AI-driven capabilities for social listening, analytics, and engagement to enhance customer satisfaction and drive business growth. Welcome, Sameer. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Thanks, Aisha. Thanks for having me. How are you?
Very good, thank you. It's always good to connect with you. And obviously, especially in this year when there's so much shift towards AI incorporation by organizations. Now, how have you seen this dramatic shift towards personalization when brands interact with customers? And how are you enabling your users with the same?
Well, thanks, Aisha, to start this interview on with AI. It's a big buzzword. Have been a buzzword, but this year things are changing a lot, and all products like us investing big on AI. And I always say this, like, we as CX platforms have that responsibility to make the best use of the AI, work on the AI, and give the best to our customers. So since you asked about personalization, we always worked as a we believe our product is a true omni-channel solution because we offer entire customer 360, not just because we kind of offer a CX solution which is limited with data. We rather offer a platform that is very rich with data sources. And that has been our key forte, where we bring in data from the entire social. We connect with the contact centers, chatbots, emails. So every customer touch point is something that we always used to have within Konnect Insights. Now, what AI really has helped us at big time is it can give you AI summaries, it can give you AI assist. The AI can always connect with the knowledge base. And today, with Konnect Insights, we have seen that if agents earlier were taking about, say, 15 to 20 minutes to answer to a query, be it from any given channel, that time has now reduced to, say, 5 minutes, right? So if an agent earlier was solving about, say, 50 queries in a day, he's now solving 150 queries in a day, right? And that's because of the unification that we offer in Konnect Insights. And that's a pitch for us to the customers, that if you're using any siloed solutions right now, if you come to Konnect Insights powered by AI, this is the kind of ROI that we are going to give you. And your operational cost is usually the 95% of the cost. 5% is the entire tool stack, right? If we can bring that 95% cost down to, say, 80%, we are offering a huge value to you. So omni-channel plus AI is a very, very, very good combination. That's something products with huge data source, a very rich data source, can only offer, and that's where Konnect Insights is today.
Certainly. And again, there's so many benefits for an organization to use Konnect Insights. What is the roadmap that you're carving for the next coming few years?
Yeah. Exciting times, truly. In the past 1 or 2 years, what we achieved with Konnect is an omni-channel. We were always good with social, but with our app marketplace, we got CTI integrations, we got contact center integrations, we got chatbots, conversational AIs, marketing automations. So every customer touch point is within Konnect, and it also always had a good marketing insights because we bring in data from the entire web, right? So that's where the solution was. And then to add on for our future product roadmap, we have something called as a research cloud that we are offering now, because with all the huge data and structured and unstructured, now what we want our customers to empower is with simple queries that you can have answers. Earlier there were insights, now you have answers to your questions. So there is a huge roadmap around AI. We have AI extended across all the modules of Konnect Insights, whether it is customer care to make life easier for the agents, to make life easier for the supervisors when it comes to quality assessment. There's a huge module of quality assessment that has an AI layer to it now. We have all the dashboards, reports, all the analytics that has an AI on top of it. So that's a roadmap. In addition to that, of course, we are also making life easier for our own developers to build integrations. So earlier, if two platforms were to be integrated, there was some SI development required. I'm not saying that has completely gone down, but if it was earlier taking 15-20 days, it takes 2-3 days now. So AI is across all the modules of our platform, but AI is also available for the developers now to expedite things.
That's fantastic to hear. Now, just continuing that conversation, we see multiple platforms just throwing AI as a buzzword around there, but all they are doing is having a generative script on top of open AI. What is the case with Connect Insights?
Right, right. I'm glad you asked this question, Aisha, because this is where the conversation is now going to shift, because suddenly everybody spoke about AI, we can offer these features. Everyone was excited with all the possibilities. But then we also have to understand the security aspect of it. You cannot just do an open AI call, give data to chat GPT and, build your AI features on top of it. We certainly don't do that at Connect Insights. We have our own AI. Own AI, as in we have built our AI on the Llama stack. We have our own NVIDIA GPUs. We respect the security. We respect the data residency aspect and offer these AI features. One of the famous quote by Steve Jobs was, "If you are serious about your software, you have to invest in your hardware." That is now applies, that is not now what applies to AI as well, which is what we say at Connect Insights. If you're serious with your AI, you have to build your own AI, and that's what we are doing right now. So it is very important that it has to be feature rich, but it is extremely important that it has to be very secured. You cannot be passing data to just open AI and compromising your security. So our pitch is always that we are the most feature rich AI, but we are the most secured AI as well.
That's really wonderful to hear. Now, how does Connect AI differentiate from legacy CX platforms that rely on the traditional rule based automation?
Yeah, I mean, rule-based automation certainly is out of the game right now. I mean, earlier what would happen is, let's say you want to auto classify, auto severity, do a auto severity. This is not something that works now. It has to be AI based. It has to learn from the patterns. Even for something like a quality assessment, right? If someone has about, say, 1,000 tickets a day and you need to do quality assessment, it is only humanly possible for one person to manage about 50 to 100. What about the rest 900, right? And then you cannot apply rule based. It has to be based on the AI that works on top of it. So those things are gone now. You don't have, you have sentiment, let's say, for example, which is AI based. Accurate works in all languages, right? And uh, it doesn't have to be rule based. For example, if you have automation to be done, auto classification to be done, or auto severity to be done, that is purely based on AI, no rule based, right? And accuracy even far better than what earlier rule based automation works. So rule based automation had some significance. It served the purpose, but it wasn't as accurate as humans are. AI makes it even more accurate than what humans can do. So that's the landscape, right? That's where the world is moving. So as I said, exciting times to be building a CX platform. We can very easily say that we are the beneficiaries of all the innovation that has happened. At the same time, we have the responsibility to also deliver the best to the brands who are using our products.
So true. And just like the Industrial Revolution, it seems like AI is right now revolutionizing the way brands interact with their clients. Now, obviously,
Yeah.
you touched upon it just now, Samir, but this raises a lot of questions about security and privacy. What are you doing to tackle this?
Yeah. See, security with AI, most brands don't understand that when they use AI within the platform, are they making a call to an outside world which doesn't reside in their country or doesn't reside within the platform? Then the security is compromised. What we are doing, the Connect AI Plus, is built on a top of llama stack, which is in-house. Okay, so if you are using our platform and if it is using AI capabilities, nothing is going outside, nothing is going outside, right? So if my customer within Saudi or within UK says that, I want AI features, but nothing should go outside your system, then you get that from Connect Insights. Whereas most CX platforms have built on top of OpenAI, where the data is compromised, so that's the security aspect. So you have, as I said, if you're serious about your AI, you have to invest in your own AI and not just use the OpenAI architecture.
Well, if you had one piece of advice to give to CX leaders today, what would it be?
My advice over the years have been like, think of your customers and everything else will follow. Think of customer success, think of excellence, and everything else will follow. It remains the same. Next year also, you ask me the same question, I'll answer the same.
That's a wonderful message, Samir. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's a
Yeah.
pleasure to connect with you, just like always. And we look forward to meeting you at the Customer Experience Live show in Dubai in May. Until then, stay safe.
Thank you so much, Aisha.